Mitch, Kyle.
Pass, bro.
Yep.
What do we got today? Doubles, second squad. They kind of split them up. So
Third squad.
third squad. Oh yeah. So like last night, Andrew and Chris bowled. Then they had a squad this morning. Now they have the last double squad this afternoon. Us three are on it.
We are.
Scores are low still.
Scores are low. It's
John has
one
not.
lefty.
Yeah. John has not pressed the house shot button, but
Yet.
yes, this squad is pressing it.
St. Louis house shots.
Looks like we have to go upstairs today.
What?
We're gonna bowl good and we're gonna win today. Kyle,
Nikki.
you look naked. This is weird. Put your
I
leg
am
down.
naked.
What did we do today?
We want to go!
Let's go! Gold medal.
Doubles.
Second for Team USA. My sister got gold on her birthday. It
Yeah,
was really cool.
We were just talking. That might be the first time ever a brother and sister won gold in the same day.
Yeah. It's
I
cool.
don't know. Maybe someone's done it, but
Yeah.
I don't know.
We'll just say it is until we're wrong.
Yeah.
We bowled really well today. We bought into the coach game plan. We trusted each other.
Yeah.
I feel like Kyle and I bowled really well together.
Yeah, we did. We were definitely a little yin and yang.
Yeah.
When one person started to struggle, the other
Yeah.
person threw a four bagger, and then it was just it was nice.
It's refreshing and nice, like you said, to have those. So.
Yeah, and they're really hard. We just kept it. I mean, it was crazy. We had a game plan, but we kept it simple.
Yep.
And we just trusted exactly what we were trying to do, and we just tried to execute the best we could, and it
Spares.
fucking worked.
We made most of our spares.
I didn't.
I think I had 3 opens today. I think I said to you like game 5 or 6. I said, well, I'll be the spare shooter, you be the strike guy. So
Yeah, I think I had 5 missed faithfuls in 6 games, which is not good.
it's all right. Tomorrow's a new day. We got trios. We're bowling with Chris Prather.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
We'll get him onto our good side of the game plan.
Yeah.
It's just a big old trust thing. We're bowling on something so flat and so hard that what coach brought to us doesn't make sense and not something we're used to on tour.
Yeah,
So, it's
super
crazy.
outside the box thinking
It's-
today.
I mean, my consistency on what happened tonight was not there. I didn't feel like I bowled that good, but my misses were on the right spot.
Yeah.
So
I mean, I was throwing urethane from 25. Like, that's not
He was the guy
something
everyone
I've
hates.
ever done. I've never done that. So sometimes you gotta think outside the box. Can't, cause you never know what's gonna work. So definitely what we are trying to do out here is not something that we try to do anywhere else.
Nope.
So it's just tough, but it's fun. So you know why we won today?
why is that?
We got sunburnt.
Oh yeah, you can tell. I mean, on the shoulders and.
I'm freaking like we're at over here.
So with that, we went to the pool for an hour. We're tired.
And then, as our reward, our coaches are making us bowl at 8:30
Yeah.
in the morning.
8:30 after we just win gold, so we're gonna get
So,
some rest.
yeah.
Start trios tomorrow. Only 3 games a day now, so we'll catch you guys later.
See y'all.